Hey everybody. Sorry, I've been gone lately. I've just been taking a break. School it's just been stressful lately, to be honest. So much stuff to worry about. I'm sorry, I get the hiccups. But it's just been stressful, to be honest. Mm. Jesus Christ, I gotta stop it. These two are probably just gonna collide, I imagine. Nope. This guy just kind of turned into a habitable world and it's not gonna freeze. Oh, they are orbiting each other. That's interesting. And they have a very a very long work, to say the least. Can you? Let's just can you, just because. Okay, let's see here. I'm gonna add my own planet to this system. And it's gonna be lava planet. And for this scenario, I'm just gonna say it migrated outward and acquired rings from a nearby debris field. That's in the very back of it. It has quite a bit of water. It actually has very little land. I'm gonna get rid of a little bit of that water. I'm gonna make this video quick just because it's kinda late and it's, a Monday. Yeah, I'll probably post this video tonight. And yeah, no, it's what I'm finding. But hey, it's better than being a deserted world of nothingness. I'll just say it carried over one moon, just one moon. So let's use that to have a white dwarf star drifting. It's gonna have a planet of its own. It's gonna be a small star. I'll pause right here. Let's make this guy stationary. Let's add that guy far into the distance. Okay, so let's see what this. Oh, this guy has a fucking gas line. That's gonna be devastating. I mean, that's already gonna be fairly devastating. And I'm fairly sure this planet and its moon. It's gonna lose its moon for sure. I mean, I already know that. Here's where the moon's orbit is gonna be thrown out a bit. And I'm fairly sure that this star is getting closer. Actually, the gas giant might actually be able to throw it off to where it stays stationary. Possibly. I mean, I don't know. I mean, then again, I could be wrong. I think it's actually going off on its own path. It's just a close encounter. I guess it's just gonna be a close encounter. I guess the gas giant literally is just forcing it to, go around. I'm guessing it's actually gonna make its own orbit. Why are you freezing? Why are you freezing? I'm guessing it goes far out. Life's gonna be eradicated sooner or later. But it looks like this star's actually gonna develop an orbit around the other star. Possibly. Yes. Yeah, that is probably a big freeze, but seeing as how, you know, Earth's species have made it through, multiple ice ages, this species would probably be able to adapt, seeing as they have 2 stars, you know, that heat them up. Then they have super winters. Oh dear God. This guy's orbit is just being messed with. It turns into like a swamp planet. Goes kind of far out. Okay, yep, this guy's not gonna be habitable. This gas giant's just gonna be, oh wait, it's actually falling. It's not gonna create an orbit, it's actually falling. That's what's causing the disturbances. The star isn't orbiting, it's actually falling, yeah. It's just pulling the gas giant along to make it seem like it's gonna make an orbit, but no. It's actually falling. It's falling. Let's just say this star was orbiting, but its speed slowed down. Okay. Let's say that star was orbiting. Its speed slowed down. So yeah, this planet's moon is definitely gonna be lost. And that's already a guarantee. And I think it's kind of for the best that I made that stationary. Yeah, let's actually see what the head was on right here. So let's see, are we not? No, we're not even near the hot zone. We're still in the cold zone. Okay, but this planet's still being quite affected by that star. No, pretty affected. That gas giant, I'm assuming, isn't even gonna survive. I'm assuming that. I'm assuming. Yep. Its orbit's getting like farther and farther out. So yeah, I'm not even assuming anymore. It's basically a guarantee. It's gonna fall. Yep, it's falling. It's falling into the other star. Which one was it? No. Okay, this guy's gonna come close. This guy's gonna lose his moon. Oh my god. This guy's super heated. Okay. He's going into a habitable zone, but at the same time, he's in between 2 stars that are very close. Yep, his moon didn't make it out alive. I knew that was gonna happen. I just thought his moon was gonna be taken away and shut out of space. Oh my goodness, I was correct. This gas giant is gonna die. It's just gonna die. This is what's die. Now it doesn't have any power to interfere with the white dwarf. Now the white dwarf is maybe, possibly gonna fall. Oh wait, no, it might create an orbit here. Either that, or yeah, it's probably gonna fall into it. This planet's not gonna be able to support life, in any way, shape, or form. It's been shot. Okay. Yep. Well, that's what happens when a white dwarf has like a gas giant around it, and it was going to crash into a star until its trajectory was changed. It basically just shut out this planet and whatever other planets would be orbiting. Oh wait, I'm going for the kill here. Because remember, in this game, since the white dwarf has more power, it's gonna consume. Yeah, looks. Actually, no, it's not going for the kill. It's just kind of. No, it's in an orbit, but it's gonna. Well, I think this guy's gonna die. It lost its moon and everything. It's gonna commit suicide. Damn. That white dwarf just stopped it, but no. But we're at 9 minutes of recording, so. The white dwarf literally shut it out. This died. Because it lost everything. Basically, it lost all its life. It lost its moon. And it probably would have lost its rings if this game were more realistic, but, you know, let's just say. It lost everything. It was about to commit suicide and die with the star that made it. But no! The freaking white dwarf just has to make it suffer by making it an orphan planet or whatever it's called. I can't remember. Now it's just a wandering planet. And this white dwarf has won. It's won. These guys are just shooting out so far. Watching the white dwarf dance in his face. Yeah. It's temperature. Yeah, okay, so it's a mid-sized planet created from many collisions. It has a very thin, almost non-existent atmosphere due to the freezing temperatures. From space, it looks like a pale blue orb due to its dense snow and ice coating. Very little is visible on the surface of the planet. Only the high peaks of mountains, if life ever existed here, they are yes. Life did exist here for like for probably about like not even a million years, probably for like a few thousand years. You know, it just got eradicated by those freaking white dwarf star that decided to like drop in like, hey guys, how you doing? Just like that annoying girlfriend who drops into your conversation with your now present girlfriend. Well, actually, your annoying ex that drops in whenever you're talking to your new girlfriend. That's basically what it is. Only, can imagine like a story like that. Imagine that this planet was actually made around that white dwarf star, but it was shot out by another planet, possibly the gas giant that was orbiting it before it crashed into this, bigger one, and then it found an orbit. It found a habitable orbit, which is technically possible to do on Mars. Shut up right now. Had life for 1,000 years until this guy just had to decide. What was that? Let me see. Wards. Galaxy far, far away. Center. Okay, so that's what that is. But yeah, basically it started orbiting around there. But no, this that white dwarf star was driven by that gas giant that ruined that guy's life, that planet's life right there. It's kind of he's very far away. You can't even see the two stars. I think I might, you can. You can. It's just it's so far away that the game can't even render the stars at this point. All you can see is just the light from the stars. Very faint and very dim. You know what? I'm just gonna let's see. It's just right. It's gone. But yeah. I guess trying to just ruin the planet's life by luring in previous home star. But anyway, guys, that's where I'm gonna leave this video here. Hope you enjoyed today's video and like and subscribe if you really did enjoy. And well, this is BGO Flag signing out. Bye bye.